Okay, first up to shoot. It's the Crossman 1977 American Classic. Okay, so he hit high. He did not hit the bad guy. We have nephew over here about to shoot. He's going to shoot the American Classic, the 1977. Okay, you hit him on top of the head too, right there. You hit him in the head though. Right there. So we got a hit on the head.
Yeah.
No. Okay, up next, we have Chantel's gonna shoot the Umarex Glock BB gun. She's very excited. Okay, hold on. I didn't even see the cats. I was worried about my neck. The little kitties. Kitties, go away. Okay, where were you aiming, Chantel? We aiming for the... You aiming for the hand? I don't see... You might have to shoot again because I don't see anything on there. I don't see anything around the hand.
Oh, go, cat.
Okay, I'm gonna go with the second shot and see if she can hit the hand or the head. Yo, wait. I didn't even put the mag in.
That's probably why.
Okay, take 3 because I didn't load the mag into the gun. So hold on. Where were you aiming, Chantel? A hand?
Yeah.
You hit him in his mouth. Yeah. See, hit him in his mouth, right in his lip. That was a good shot. But you were aiming for the hand, but that's still funny. That's still a funny shot right there. Okay, Chantel, what are you aiming for?
I guess the head.
Okay, so she's aiming for the head. She just saw the guy in his lips, but now she's aiming for the head. Oh, you hit a little low on that one. Okay, so this is gonna be a third shot with the Umarex Glock BB gun, Glock 19. Yeah. Okay, so she hit kind of high on that one. You hit up here. Okay, I'm gonna shoot to see if I can hit that target. So I don't know how accurate this gun is, but I know when I first got it, it was really accurate. See, I shot him in the eye right there. I shot him in the eye.
Final shot?
Yeah. Okay, she's gonna try again, the last shot. And she's gonna try to go for either bullseye. Yep. Ooh, you got him in the forehead. You got him right here. You got closer. That was good. That was her shot right there. That was a little bit above mine. Not bad. Okay, so I just went and shot and I hit right here. Nobody was recording me, so that's why I hit a little bit above the bullseye. Okay, now we're going with the Beretta, the Umarex Beretta 177. What were you aiming at?
Hand.
A hand? I'm gonna try the Umarex. Okay. Umarex.
Woo-hoo!
What the hell did you do with it?
Safety. We're on safety.
Good job.
That way somebody picks it up, it ain't gonna go off.
Okay, we're gonna see where I hit. I think I'm feeling like I hit a little low. Okay. I was aiming for the head, and I think I hit right underneath there. If you can see it. I almost hit the target. Okay, so we got nephew with the Umarex, the Umarex 177 Beretta. Is it on safety? Oh. Where were we aiming? Okay, so he was aiming for the head also. So let's see where he might have hit.
We'll do this something finishing.
Black. Okay, we have Uncle. We have the Uncle about to shoot next. And he's got to use the Umarex Beretta. Where were you aiming at? For the head too?
Yep. Yeah, for you.
Okay, so I'm
Play.
gonna use the Beretta, Umarex Beretta 177, and I'm gonna aim for the head because it's getting dark. Okay, let's see if I hit anywhere. Oh, I shot her. Uh-oh.
Collateral damage.
We have collateral damage. I shot her on the side of her head, but she shouldn't. It shouldn't be too bad. She shouldn't be too mad about that.
Ain't gonna kill her.
Yeah, I ain't gonna kill her.
Flesh wound.
But if anything, it ricocheted off of her and went into his face. So I don't think she's too happy about that, but it's okay. Okay, mag dump. Okay, tell the people what gun you're using and how you got it.
GP20 Combat. Traded it.
Traded it for what?
Rifle.
For the rifle, airsoft rifle that I got you.
Yep.
And I got the battery off of Amazon, the fully automatic, and you traded it for that piece of crap. Yeah, it really works.
That's why I got mine. I'm keeping mine.
You can hear it leaking air. He hasn't fixed it. It's been leaking air for a few months. I gave him the pieces that he needs to fix it. He still hasn't fixed it. So, but yeah, he did trade that for the gun that I gave him, and I was highly upset. But I understand because I was a kid once, and it's okay. So I understand because I did stupid things when I was little. So we're gonna go check. He did a mag dump. We're gonna go check and see what he did. I might have to put this okay, we got serious collateral damage. I don't know if he was aiming for her face, but were you aiming for her face? You were just trying to mag dump because the air was okay. So he mag dumped, and I think he actually hit one up there somewhere. Because one of those was in there, and her face is just riddled with BBs. So.
Come on. You might have one more contender.
And well, he did his arm, and her hand, her little pinky, and her hand right there, and his arm right there. Yeah, he had to mag dump it because his gun is leaking air. He traded it for the gun I gave him, and that's what happens when you trade the guns I give you.
we'll end the video.
Okay, we're gonna end the video with the Beretta because it's getting dark out here. Hold on. Okay, here we're gonna end the video with the Umarex Beretta 177. And what are you aiming for?
Between his eyes.
Right between his eyes. You heard it from the man.
Stop. Play.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot the Umarex Beretta, and I'm gonna aim for the hand and the head. Double tap. Okay, I hit right there. Okay, we're gonna end this video with the nephew, and he is going to use the Umarex 177. Okay, he's aiming his first head. He's gonna use the Umarex block because the CO2 went out on the Beretta, so he's gonna shoot about 5 times and aim for the head.
Yep.
Yep. Shot up pretty high.
Can I get one more shot in?
I guess. And he shot right here. You did get a good shot next to the eye though. And one on the cheek. You got him on the cheek. Right there. You got some pretty good shots on him.